In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for branding. This is a beginner-friendly way to create a strong brand identity for your business or project. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help with branding. For example, I might type, "Help me create a brand identity for a fitness business." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate branding ideas, including brand names, taglines, tone of voice, and visual style suggestions. If I want better results, I can include more details in my prompt, such as target audience, industry, or brand personality. For example, I might type, "Create a modern and energetic brand identity for a fitness brand targeting young adults." Claude can also suggest logo ideas, color palettes, and messaging strategies to strengthen the brand. If needed, I can ask Claude to refine the branding, generate multiple options, or create a full brand guide. Once I'm satisfied, I can use these ideas to build my brand across my website, social media, and marketing materials. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for branding. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.